my mind. All I hear is music, watching your mouth move. Damn, you look stupid. I feel like.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's finish off with the music videos. I had slept a little bit, but then I got up in between because of a stupid weird ass dream that I was not able to eat a fruit. Like my teeth was weakened, and then I woke up and I was trying to, check if all my teeth are working. Everything is working all right, and now I packed my bags and all, so I'm ready to go for the music videos. Let's see what do we have here. Jananayagan Ravana Mavanda, I think, or Mavanda. I don't know how do you say this. I'm sorry guys, but when we listen to the music, I might catch how they actually spell it out. It's a lyrical video starring Talapati Vijay, Pooja Hegde, H. Vinod. This was the director, right? When we checked yesterday. Yeah, he was the director. I kind of remember still. Yeah. Oh, Sneha. Anirudh has done the music. The musical genius. The movie is Jananayagan, composed by Anirudh Ravichander, lyrics is by Vivek, vocals by Anirudh, and there is a chorus group. Cool. Let's go. Have I turned on everything else? Yes. Okay. Cool. Captions is not required because it is a lyrical video. So let's go. The crowd. Mavanda, okay. Got it. Mavanda. Mavanda. Talapati da. People going crazy. Start bobbing your head. The smile, the slight running and all. Pure love, guys. Anirudh is looking nice in that suit. Should I look into what the lyrics means, or would one of you tell me like what it means in a short 2 to 3 lines, or you can leave out the lyrics as well in the comments. Anything that helps is welcome, right? And appreciate, and I love you. This is trending on number 2 on music trending charts. Not surprised. It's Talapati the Ravana Mavan. Okay, I forgot again. Shit. Mavanda. Mavananda. Mavan. Oh god, yeah. But as usual, the crowd is thick. The love for Talapati is united and never forgotten. And he is just doing his little runs, his smile, the suit, the Anirudh. We loved it all. Anirudh, I think it was the glasses maybe or the suit, both. But the Ravana is Talapati itself. It's not gonna change. He has the spotlight and everybody is just singing and dancing for him. Why am I acting drunk? It's just because I've woken up. When you wake up, you have that, right? A little bit of buzz. I'm buzzing right now. Let's check out the comments and go to the next music. Talapati's song First Like. This genius guy. Should I give him a like? Just for fun. Let's do it. Worldwide Talapati fans, fire. You here, right? Don't forget to support him. not me, him, on the comments. Petition to make this song fire at least 4 minutes longer. Bro is getting a lot of work after this. How many Thalapathy fans here? How many of you are here? Let me know. Ani proof that he is MDS, musical departmental store. Truly, because every single music video from Collywood, Tollywood, anywhere that we check out, Anirudh's name is prominent. Sri Lanka Thalapathy Vijay Fans Assembly. There's an assembly constitution in his name. Crazy. After 3 a.m., Thalapathy's aura is fire. It is Thalapathy. We know it. He is the aura ambassador. So, anyone after the trailer? Me here, right after the trailer, guys. Ani ex Thalapathy said the theaters are fire. Yeah, the combo was too much. Too much. Too much exciting for the ladies. Who is ready for the trailer tomorrow? He commented this a day back. We watched it, bro. Anyone after the trailer? His walk. His walk has something about it, right? And the laugh and the look that he gives with the eyes. Everything is just delicious. Okay, guys, so let's go to the next one. Border 2. Ghar Kab Aoge? We haven't watched the trailer of Border 2, so it's gonna be a huge surprise to us. Let me check who is what and what's going on here. Should we check out the trailer as well of Border 2? Let me know in the comments. If it's a good one, if you tell me, let's do it. The star cast would be Sunny Deol, Varun Dhawan, Diljit, Dahan, Mona, Sonam, Anya, Meda. Okay. Directed by Anurag Singh. Producers are there, a lot of them. Story is by Nidhi Datta. Editor Manish. Action is by Ravi Verma. Looking forward to that. Music, T-Series. T-Series must be making a lot of money, no? There's a lot of music videos that they bring. Original song composed by Anu Malik. Original lyrics by Javed Akhtar. Song recreated by Mithun. Oh, so it's a recreation. Lyrics by Manoj Muntashir Shukla. Singers are Sonu Nigam, Roop Kumar Rathod, Arjit Singh. Alright. Vishal Mishra and Diljit. There's guitars, flutes, Indian rhythm. Okay. Choir. So let's go for it. I'll turn on the lyrics. I don't know if it works, but yeah. Is it recording still? Yes. Let's go. Probably a sad one.
सदी से आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं जो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब
No wonder it's trending on number one.
आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम बिन ये दिल सुना सुना है
Beautiful.
संदेश आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं जो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम बिन ये दिल सुना सुना है
Varun looks aged in this, right? Maybe it's the beard. Diljit Paji.
है गुजरने
Sunny Deol.
वाली हवा बता मेरा इतना काम करेगी क्या मुझे छोड़ के जो चला
One with the wind.
गया
Sad.
उसे ढूंढ लाऊं कोई रहे गुजर या कोई गली मुझे आज तक तो नहीं
Why can you feel the pain? It's hurting me a little bit.
ये फासला जो मिटा सके ये फासला
Music.
मैं वापस आऊंगा मैं वापस आऊंगा फिर अपने गाँव में प्यार की छाँव में तरसती आँखों से किसी की
Beautiful woman.
बाहों से कि घर की राहों से किया
great
जो
man, right?
वादा था वो निभाऊंगा मैं वापस आऊंगा मैं वापस आऊंगा
Anurag Singh. Great direction. Great acting. Great vocals. Great music. What a two. The song started slightly happy, went down a little bit, and then came back to the high note again. That happiness is everywhere. There is hope. They're gonna come back home from the borders after a lot of hard work. When Sunny Deol came onto the screen, the song just switched a little bit more melodramatic, a little sadness, and it all was felt truly because his acting was impeccable. This all comes with experience. He cannot hide it. And so glad we watched this music video. Also, a recreation was very well made, not butchered, right? Like most of the recreational videos nowadays just falls flat, but this one just made us happy. I think it was the beats, the vocals were also fantastic, and great actors makes a great movie. Border 2 seems promising. I have not watched the trailer. This makes me want to watch the trailer. Let me know if you wanted to on the channel, then we can watch it together. Let's read a couple of comments and end this. I am Jawan of Indian Army and currently serving in Bangladeshi border in Assam. Thank you, sir, for your services. I think Sonu and Diljit voice sing so perfectly at the start that I did not notice the voice switch at first. Yeah, I did not notice the switch either. It was just perfectly synced. Anyone watching after 3 a.m.? Yes, I'm watching at 5:15 a.m. Don't forget to like the vid. Arjit and Sonu Nigam fans attendance. Don't forget to give a lot of love for them in the comments. 3 votes: Sonu Nigam, Arjit Singh, Vishal Mishra in same lobby, and they all just killed this one with the spectacular vocals, right? इस सॉन्ग में वो बात वो फीलिंग नहीं जो पुराने बॉर्डर के सॉन्ग में थी. कौन कौन ये मानता है? ऑफ कोर्स द सॉन्ग वाज ओल्ड एंड इट्स रिक्रिएटेड, तो कुछ लोगों का लगाव ओल्ड सॉन्ग से होगा, लेकिन जो फीलिंग है वो इंडियन आर्मी के लिए है, वो नहीं जाता है ना. तो फॉर दैट रीजन लव द सॉन्ग. कुछ भी हो जाए बट पुरानी वाले की बात ही अलग थी. हाँ वो तो है. That random person who liked my comment, I pray may you and your parents live more than 100 years. मुझे लाइक करना चाहिए ना. वो फ्री में मैंने लाइक कर दिया. अवार्ड्स मत दो, सॉन्ग मत दो, इग्नोर कर दो, लेकिन सोनू निगम keeps proving he is the GOAT, and that's how we sustain with the love of the people. I hope you enjoyed both the reaction, guys. That's all for today. I'll see you later and good night. Take care. Not this morning, but you must be watching it at night because I upload it around evening-ish. So good morning, good night, good afternoon. Choose one and stay happy. Bye.
No filter, I got no filter, no filter.